This is how to connect any Google app in n8n with Google credentials in under 2 minutes. First, go to your n8n dashboard and create new workflow. Then add a Google node, like Google Sheets, Drive, or Gmail. Add it and create new credentials. Copy this URL. Next, open Google Cloud Console, create a new project, then go to API and Services, select Credentials. Click Create Credentials, then Auth Client ID, configure Constant Screen, and click on Get Started. Give app name and enter your email ID, then press Next. Choose Audience as External, then write your contact email. Mark Agreed to Terms and Condition, and press Continue, then hit Create. Finally, click on Create Auth Client. Select Web Application, give it a name, and paste the redirect URL you copied from n8n. Hit Create, then copy your client ID and client secret and paste them back into n8n. Finally, select Audience, Publish App, then go back to n8n and sign in with Google. Grant all permissions, and that's it. Your Google apps are now connected with n8n. You can automate your emails, manage files, or even build full workflows without writing a single line of code. If this video helped you, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe Iron Coding.